I'm Martin Ball. I'm the Head of Engineering Inspection at Allianz Engineering Inspection Services. My primary responsibility is to ensure a first-class customer service for our 35,000 customers. We are one of the largest insurers in the UK. So where we work, we are in the inspection business that works for the Allianz Insurance business. We are the largest inspection provider in the UK and Ireland. And we currently have 640 engineer surveyors working in our business. We desperately needed to transform our business and to ultimately modernise it. And so effectively what we did is that we turned that into this, and that's where we used the expertise that we had in Totalmobile.
We particularly wanted a system that was platform-based, would enable us to create forms, to give that relevant information to be captured to the surveyors when they're on site, and that information could be then connected to our back end for creating the report that then goes to the client. One of the things we particularly were looking for within a solution that Totalmobile could provide was a system that would work offline. So our engineers work in environments where they often don't get phone signals, like lift shafts, for example. So we needed a system that gave them the same experience with no connectivity as they got with the connectivity, and Totalmobile provided that for us. So from an IT perspective, it enables us to provide a simple form on the tablet within the Totalmobile application for the surveyors to capture their data, in particular defects they find when they're carrying out the inspections. That can then feed back via a web service to our back-end systems to create the report for the customer. The main area that it's benefiting the business and the engineers relates to the fact that they no longer need to capture notes and then retype the report. We basically generate the report automatically from the data that they've captured.
There's loads of benefits. So we're probably 8 to 10% bigger in revenues. We improve the margin from 4 to 10%. We are more productive. We have more time on site. We have less travel time. And the engineer surveyor works less. So almost what's not to like? We now have massive clear water between the service that we provide and any other rival in our space. And the gap is quite big. I would absolutely recommend Totalmobile to anybody in our industry, anybody with a mobile workforce, a brilliant organisation. We've been really lucky to be working with them for a number of years. I think this will be a very, very long-term partnership agreement, and we see them as partners and not software providers, and an absolutely super business. I would absolutely recommend them to anybody.